Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Cheryl Surima, 43 years old. I am from Carmen, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I am single. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. And I'm a pet lover. I have one dog. My expertise are childcare and cleaning. I work as housemaid in Philippines from August 1, 2019 to August 3, 2023. I serve one couple and one child aged 6 years old. My duties are taking care of the child, cooking, cleaning, doing the laundry, ironing, marketing, car washing, and gardening. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for myself. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, honest, obedient, and fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.